Hi guys, this is the CB150X. Okay, probably this is the first video of this bike in Singapore lah. Haha. Okay. The bike. So far what I do to it, I removed the license plate holder here. Then tires are still stock, IRC. Waiting for new tires to arrive. I added this engine protector, and then I added tank pad. Wireless charger, two-way wireless charger, and cable USB-C. And you can notice handlebar is bronze in color. Fork is Showa SFF BP. Separate function fork, big piston. One is air, one is oil. I think so. Okay, other than that, I added the Honda authorized bracket. You can see there. Okay, then I added the box, my Givi Dolomiti. Okay, Givi Dolomiti, tracker Dolomiti, 46 liters. And recently I changed this part, the most important part, the chain and sprocket. I downsized the sprocket to 44. Stock is 46. The chain is a cross ring, X ring by RK. It's better, smoother, and my RPM don't really vibrate the whole bike when I'm traveling, at least cruising at 100. Okay, this side same, engine protector. Other than that, I'm waiting to change the tire, and I think that should be all lah. It's comfortable, riding posture is very nice, it's very good, up to date. The bike is only 3 weeks old, and it's already made 2,492, 94. 3 weeks, 3 weeks old, because I'm doing delivery, food delivery. That's why my mileage is so fast. And by the way, this is a special edition. Special edition is difference with the stock one. This is smoke. Handlebar is bronze. The rim also bronze. Okay, fork is same, and the rest is for the other two colors is green and red. They are, the green one is matte, the red one is gloss. Okay, other than that should be doing well. The bike so far so good, nice posture, riding, no complaints lah. The headlight adequate, and the horn, I'm gonna change out to the louder one, but I see how later. Okay. So far that's it. See? Okay lah, that's all. Nothing much to talk.